B2 Alpha. And after that, we're going to start our train. Now we're going to wait for Gains Alpha B2 Alpha to give us any signal. So Gains Alpha B2 Alpha gave us a self signal, and now we're going to put this a position here for $1,500.